plan to do the excess cycling because it might hamper my health. I do it nearby park, which is the Central Park, near my locality. I do it early in the morning because this keeps me fit and makes me happy. Happy मैंने change किया, happiness word था लेकिन change किया क्योंकि मेरे sentence में बैठता नहीं है, तो I have to change it. कोई rule नहीं है that you have to use the happiness word only, or it provides me happiness. You can say that context. उसमें use करना चाहते हैं कर सकते हैं. Next, I do it with my friend because when I am alone, I am not able to concentrate much. यहाँ लिखा है conscious. When I do it with my friend, I am literally be conscious about my health because I want to stay fit, and my friend keeps on guiding me so that I can prepare myself a complete target of what I am planning. I plan or I do cycling at a constant speed, and sometimes I get nervous because in case